Understanding, Press the Flesh, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a fascinating English idiom, press the flesh. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's commonly used in certain contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it really means. Press the flesh is an idiomatic expression that refers to personal, face-to-face interaction, especially in political contexts. It usually involves shaking hands and engaging in conversation with people. The phrase emphasizes the physical aspect of personal interaction, contrasting it with indirect forms of communication like emails or phone calls. The origin of press the flesh is tied to political campaigns where candidates meet their potential voters in person. This practice is seen as a way to connect more effectively with people, as physical presence and a handshake can leave a stronger impression than indirect communication. To help you understand how to use press the flesh in conversation, here are some examples. During the election campaign, the candidate spent a lot of time pressing the flesh at local events. As a sales representative, it's important to press the flesh and build strong relationships with clients. While press the flesh is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's more common in settings where personal interaction plays a key role, like politics or business. There are no direct synonyms, but phrases like meet and greet, or rub elbows, convey a similar sense of personal interaction. That's all about press the flesh. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting idiom for you. Remember, idioms like these add color to the language and can make your English sound more natural. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!